Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romani and today I'm going to be talking to you about my 9-month loc journey. So let's just jump straight into the video. I'm so overdue for a loc journey video because I was supposed to be updating on YouTube every single month and I have not updated you guys since month 5 just because life is crazy all the time. But I'm here and we're at 9 months. As you can see, I'm getting some hang time. We're, a little bit under the shoulders, a little bit if I scrunch my shoulders up, but we're a little bit under the shoulders, which is great because I just watched a few of my old loc journey video updates and I was up here and I didn't even notice. So I'm just happy to have some length. Even though I only wear my hair down for real, I feel like I can do so much more with my locks than I could. Like, just for instance, when I'm getting in the shower, I can put my hair in a nice little ponytail. Even though nobody can see it, it makes me feel good. So I feel like I have a lot more versatility going on with my hair. But like I said, I only really wear my hair down. I'm still washing and retwisting my hair every 4 to 6 weeks. I know that may seem a little bit far apart, like each wash and retwist, but it doesn't bother me. I'm okay with it. And I also don't like to frequently wash my hair just because I don't be wanting my retwist to come out or untwist. So I just like to do it every time that I'm about to retwist, and I don't like to retwist too often. So for really 5 to 6 weeks, but I don't go longer than that because I don't want my hair to be super dirty. On the bright side, I feel like my retwists are really starting to stay now, and it's because of this new method that I'm doing with retwisting. So I used to just retwist and let my hair be loose like this, but I started doing these rope twists, and then I did the little lock knot thing at the bottom. I'll just insert some pictures, but I started doing that, and because my hair is twisted like that for 3 weeks and then I take it out, my locks are staying now. Because when I used to retwist my hair, it would be maybe a few days and y'all remember my hair would start undoing itself, but it doesn't really do that anymore because I have my twist and I will keep those for 3 weeks and then I take it down, and now it is doing a lot better with just keeping the lock intact. So I do feel really good about that because I was kind of getting discouraged because I'm like, dang, my hair isn't gonna lock, it keeps unraveling, and it was kind of stressing me out a little bit. So I'm very happy about that. And I also really like that style. I think it looks really classy. Well, let me just say, I already think that locks look classy and are a beautiful style. However, sometimes you want to do something a little different, and I feel like the rope twist with the lock knots are just a little bit different and it gives you a cute little bob. So if you're having some issues with your locks staying, try to do some rope twists. I also don't know if I'm going to continue dyeing my hair. I really do enjoy this color. I think that this color looks great on me, but I do want to see how my locks would look if I was not coloring them, dyeing them, manipulating them in any way. I want to see how just my natural locks would look. But I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence because I want to dye my hair again because I want brighter hair. I don't really know. I might dye it, I might not, but who knows. Overall, I'm feeling really confident with my hair. I love it. It makes me feel good. Like I told y'all before, I can just wake up and go. But other than that, I feel like my pictures are just super pretty. I feel like my videos look good, and I just really like myself with this style. So 10 out of 10. I do not have any regrets or anything like that. Of course, it's a learning experience, but everything is. Even my natural hair journey was a learning experience. So I don't regret this at all. I am very excited to see how my hair is going to look at year 1. And I am at a year in January of 2022. So January 22nd, I will be at a year. My 9 months was 5 days ago. So yeah, I'm just excited to see what this journey brings. That is all for this update. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all those other social media platforms that we love to engage in. That is going to be in the description box, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys in my next video.